Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 17. So today we will finish the chapter and I will give you the objective types also so that you can complete it in your book, and then after once the online class will over you can do it in copy. So today again I will upload the homework, so you can go there, check your homework and download it, and please complete it in your fair copy. So please stay at home. You can enjoy your quality time in your study. You can complete your homework which you received on online classes. So once the school is going to open, I just want all the homework and I have all the records. So it's better that you should complete your all homework on time. Protect yourself and your family from this virus. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus, and please take all the precautions to save you and to save your family from this virus. So stay at home, protect yourself and your family safe, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus. And let's start the chapter 17. So before starting the new topic, we will take a short look that what we have learned earlier related from this chapter. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Do not skip the videos. Please watch this video till last. Stay at home and please watch the video. So in this chapter, the chapter name is Organization That Helps Us. It is the chapter that many organizations are there in our society that helps us in our daily life when we need some help. So some of these organizations, just like the police, the hospitals, banks, then postal system and the fire brigades, these all are the organizations in our society who helps us when we need and when we are in when we are in some problem. And so first organization is the police. So we know that police is there in every town and cities. It protects us from the thieves, and the police duty is to also solve the crimes and to catch those who are guilty, and they have to see that and they have to make sure that every citizen of the country, they follow the law of the country or not, and they have to keep us safe from all these things. And police stations are always present in different areas in every town and cities, and we know that they have some duties to protect us, and we inform the police when a crime takes place in near our areas or maybe in our house also. So we can always ask and approach to the police for help when we face a problems. Like suppose when we are lost and we need help, like we lost the way and the roads also, and then we need help, then we should always go to the nearest traffic police, and they will be able to help you. So the second organization is the hospitals, and we know that why we go to hospitals. We go to hospitals when we are ill and maybe some accidents take place. So the doctors and nurses in the hospitals, they help us to find out that why we are ill. They gives us the medicines and the treatment so that we become better, much better. So they tells us also about the personal hygiene and for the healthy basis, so that they tells us also the different diseases, that how it can cause and how we can save from this all the diseases. So doctors are always there who helps us when we need, like some accidents are there. So like there is an accident like on the road, then generally the people are passing from that road, they help the person who had injured, and they emergency call the hospital, like ambulance and hospitals nearest. And then the doctors and nurses in the hospitals, they have the duty to help that person and to find out their family's contact. And then after, they have to inform to the families that yes, that this family member is there who got injured and who got accident. So like in a number of voluntary organizations in India, such as the Red Cross, it helps us regularly in accidents victim, and it also donate the blood, and it also gives support to the families. Next organization is a bank, and we know that we keep our money in the bank for safety, and the bank uses our money by lending it or to the people who need it, and after in return the banks pay us the additional sum of money, like the interest money. So that's why so that our money also increased and also safe in a bank. So bank provides us a lots of facilities. It's gives monies for the various purpose, like it gives monies to the farmers to buy the seeds and to buy the agricultural tools, and the bank also give monies to the students for higher classes, for higher studies, and in fact also gives to the people who wants to grow their business and to develop their business. Bank also gives loans to buy the cars and homes. So bank is the bank is what it is, area, it is a house that they can keep our money safely. So because in the earlier days there is no like bank is there, then the people used to keep their monies in bank in houses. So the thieves maybe some robberies held in their houses. So like nowadays it is safe to that we should keep our money in a bank safely. In fact, after sometimes 1 year or 5 years, if we can take that money, then the bank will give us additional sum of money like in interest. So that's why how our money will increase and it will be safe also. Next is about the fire brigade. So we know that when fire is take place, then we call the fire brigade, and the fire brigade has firefighters who are trained to put out the fires and help the people who may be trapped in a fire houses in a building on fire. So the people of the firefighters, they have to train that how to protect the people when they are in fire. And fire engine, it is type of vehicles which helps to put out the fires. Like it is always present in our schools, so that a long bell singings, and for nowadays that for safety the people used to make some alarms, fire alarms, so that in homes, schools, shopping malls and offices, banks, so like if some suddenly case will happen, fire case, then the alarms will ring so that the people immediately they can leave that places. Next topic is the post office, that how it helps us, that organization, that I will explain you in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself, and in next lecture number 2 I will give you the exercise. So please watch that video, do not skip the video. Protect yourself and your family from this virus. Till that, thank you, have a nice day.